Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto E13 and I'll show you how to link or link Google Assistant from PowerKey on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. After that click to the gestures and here we'll see double press power key or press and hold power button. So we can just select one from this available options. So here in double press power key we should switch just now or launch camera to assistant, and now just by double press to the power key button we can see that the Google Assistant is activated. And also if you want to use the Google Assistant just by press and hold the power key, you should tap on the switcher. Now let's just press and hold it, and this is the result that the Google Assistant is activated. By the same way we can turn it off. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.